Alright, so we are live with our first break out of eBay. I'm live with Francois.
What's up?
Yeah, Francois on fire tonight, guys, so you might have more fun than you used to. Because when Francois is on fire, it's funny. Break 2397, Anthology 1516, double box break. So how are you feeling, Francois?
Great, man. Great.
So you're not funny anymore. Well, you were funny before we started break.
You want a funny face?
Well, not the funny face. What an idiot. Alright, so Anthology, we got, of course, as you guys know by now, one pack per box. Only hits. So who's your favorite player in the NHL, Francois?
Me? I think Zach Ronaldo. He's entertaining.
Zach Ronaldo is. Alright. Alright, so we start, Francois, with a tetrad material. TM35, number 299, Brett Richard.
Vegas Golden Knights. Your Rangers.
For the New York Rangers, nice piece of steak right there. New York Rangers, Brett Richards. Next, we got a double coverage for Columbus, Boone Jenner. And the other side, also Columbus, Ryan Johansson, number 299. Next, we've got another double coverage. We've got Cody Ceci for Ottawa. And on the other side, we've got Matt Wemple, also for Ottawa. So nice hit for Ottawa.
Lucky tonight. No random.
No random yet. Next, we've got a massive material, Francois. MM81, Mike Gardner. Oh, it's the one.
I think it's not in the checklist.
It's the one.
New York Rangers.
It's back?
I see the checklist 81. Mike Gardner, New York Rangers.
All right, for the New York Rangers, because in our previous break.
That's not there.
Oh, it's the autograph that's not there. Mike Gardner, missing material for the New York Rangers. Next, we've got a full coverage patch, number 249, New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. Is he still doing it, playing?
Who?
Brock Nelson, because we only hear from Josh Bailey, eh? Next, we've got a Anthology autograph for Arizona, Keith Yandel. And our last hit, another Anthology autograph, this time for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Felix Potvin. So nice first box. Let's do box number 2. Francois, I have a
What can I
question.
do for you, my friend?
Is Panty Anthology your favorite product?
No.
Oh, thought it was one of your favorite products.
No.
Oh, it's not. It's not. Is oh god damn it! Is Trilogy 1718 one of your favorite products?
Which one?
Trilogy 1718 will be released on January 4th.
How can I tell you one of my favorite products? It's not even released.
All right, so you need to see that one, Francois. We get a clear-cut auto, insane patch. You got to see that one. With an autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks, Mark McNeil. But look at that patch.
I'm gonna come and see him. Even if he's not a really good player.
He's not a good player, but the patch is insane.
Ooh! Number to what?
Insane patch for the Chicago Blackhawks. Number to 25. 18 out of 25 for Chicago. What a nice patch.
Better patches.
Next, another nice patch. We've got a sizable signature for the Detroit Red Wings, Igor Larionov.
What a break.
Oh, what a box. Next, we've got a paired pieces, insane patch for the Detroit Red Wings, Peter Mrazek and Jimmy. Oh, what a logo patch. Nice hit for Detroit.
Directly the wheel.
Yeah, directly on the wheel. Next, we've got, oh, they're all upside down. Massive material, Colorado Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon.
Pretty good this year, huh?
Yeah, he's good. Paired pieces for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price and Max Pacioretty. He's pretty good this year, too, huh?
The burger's good.
You gotta leave.
You gotta leave, Max.
And yeah. And the last is the Omen Native Land for the Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban.
Biggest Golden Knight, Jonathan.
Don't say anything stupid. That's the Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban. Don't listen to Francois. So that is it for Anthology. I'll be right back in 4 minutes with a double bunch break of artifacts. Thanks.